Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will discuss how to draw perfect circular grid lines on a large canvas that cannot be drawn using a regular compass. For this project, we just need a thick A4 sheet, preferably a cardstock and a ruler. The radius of my canvas is 25 cm and I want to draw grid lines at 1 cm equidistant to each other. So to start with, we would need to cut our cardstock to 26 cm length. So here I have marked 26 cm across the parallel edges and I am drawing a straight line. Now with the help of scissor, I will cut my cardstock along the marked line. Next, mark points at a gap of 1 cm distance along the parallel edges and draw vertical straight lines. We will have a total of 25 such lines. I'll cut my sheet to a width of 3 cm along the other edge. Now poke holes at each of the marked 25 lines. I am using my dotting tool to poke holes as the paper is quite thick. You can also use a pin or a paper punch to make these holes. Now our cardstock is ready to start drawing grid lines. Keep the first hole of the cardstock at the center of the canvas. If you are unsure of how to find the center of the canvas, please check the video link at the top of your screen. Hold the cardstock at the center of the canvas firmly with the help of a pencil and use another pencil to start drawing circles by using adjacent holes in the cardstock. So this is how our grid lines would look like. Keep repeating this process for all the holes in the cardstock. See how beautiful and perfect these grid lines are. This is a very easy and inexpensive method of drawing grid lines. If you found this video useful, please do like it and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials.